Welcome to the 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. The Elevation truck is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine and made up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Sierra, we do have the power windows, locks, and mirrors. Your driving modes: push button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights. The vehicle does have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls. 38,018 kilometers on the vehicle as it sits right now. Column shifter, push button ignition, nice large 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as climate control all in there. We do have our dual zone climate control with heated front seats, integrated trailer braking system as well, USB ports and an outlet. Truck does have dual glove boxes, all black interior, upgraded Bose audio from the factory, and we have our heated cloth bucket seats up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra Elevation, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package with brand new Celine Terramax AT all-terrain tires. We have color matched door handles with keyless entry all around, stationary running boards, AVS window visors as well, 5.3-liter plaque on the front fender. Coming to the front of the vehicle, color matched front bumper grille, as well as the LED daytime running lamps, fog lights, and the tow hooks up front. Making our way to the rear, this is a crew cab regular box truck, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start, equipped from factory. At the back of the truck, we have the color matched rear bumper, trailer tow package, LED brake lights, and the GMC Sierra easy open close tailgate. Jumping into the interior of the truck, second row cloth 60/40 split, both end seats are car seat ready with the in-seat storage feature. We have a sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top, and LED lighting with a single pane sunroof, dual USB ports, and rubberized floor liners installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the 2019 GMC Sierra. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.